Day 2 of regulating your nervous system. Shuya kotara naraya motara shia kotara ya kotara shimi kiatara kai kiatara motara shi kiatara kai shi. So yesterday we talked about some things to regulate your nervous system. And another beautiful way to regulate your nervous system is to have fun and to laugh. So shall we laugh together? Oh, oh my God. Yes, I hope you enjoyed that. So, another beautiful way to regulate your nervous system is laughter and smiling and dancing and having fun and a nice, beautiful cup of tea and going out into nature and sitting with Mother Earth. These are beautiful ways to regulate your nervous system. And the more often that you do it, the more regulated you're going to feel. Right. So, something that I did really early on in my journey, which I absolutely love, is walking around my neighborhood. And I feel like I'm like, you know how that like the attorneys are like, I've done so many deals in the streets. I've done so many deals in the streets. Like I just remember like going on these beautiful profound walks and I just was shifting my vibration like crazy. And it was because I was allowing myself to be so, my nervous system to be so regulated, just being out with Mother Earth, fresh air, walking through high vibrational neighborhoods and like being in peace. Oh, 213, hello. Just being in peace, right? My neighborhood's so peaceful. It's so quiet. It's so quiet. Um, I live in more of like, so I'm in the LA County, but I'm in more of like a suburb. So or like I'm in the valley, y'all. So it's quiet. I love it. I prefer living in the valley than like LA because LA's cute. It's beautiful, but like my nervous system is not about it. I'm about the relaxation, right? I'm just close enough to all the action, but just over the hill where the relaxation happens, right? But I'm not saying you can't relax in LA because of course you can create relaxation wherever you are, but just for me, I am not the biggest fan of living inside LA. I like the valley or San Diego. So, we're talking all about nervous system regulation. What I want to talk about here is I want to talk about nervous system regulation when it comes to your business, when it comes to receiving, when it comes to attracting clients, when it comes to opening up space to co-create with moolah, money. So, yesterday, if you haven't watched yesterday's video, stop this video and go watch yesterday. So, we're talking about, you know, parasympathetic nervous system, which is more like this, no space. Sorry, sympathetic nervous system is more like this, no space. And then a parasympathetic nervous system is space. You have space, right? So when we think of the parasympathetic nervous system and offering your programs, you're open to receive. The majority of people running businesses tend to run their businesses from a sympathetic state, fight or flight. It's we all go through this. We all, when I started my business, wasn't making any money. I was like, girl has to pay rent. I got to pay my car. I got to pay my insurance. Like, well, actually, I didn't have a car then, but I had a lot of bills. I had a lot of bills. Anyways, well, no, actually, I did. Well, I had a rental car, so I still had to pay for it, right? And I had to pay for everything on top of that. So when you're in that mode, you're naturally in your sympathetic state. You're naturally in this fight or flight. You're naturally in the survival, and you're actually holding, the most beautiful divine clients and money and abundance and opportunities away from you. And we don't want to do that anymore. We want to open the space for you to attract so many amazing people that you get to serve and guide, because I know if you're in my community, you are heartfelt AF and you actually care about people's journeys because it's so powerful. I'm literally thinking about my clients right now, y'all. I literally was like, my clients are amazing. I honestly like to take those moments and reflect on my clients and coming through. And something that I really reflect on is that these beautiful souls chose me and trusted me to help guide them and lead them. And I think that's absolutely phenomenal. Same thing when I go out and I hire a mentor. I'm looking for a mentor that's really heartfelt and really wants to lead someone and really cares and values my journey. Not that someone's just like, oh, give me your money, I'll give you the spreadsheet, have fun with that. No, it's not about that. It's really about knowing that you have the opportunity to change someone's life. You know, it's like you think of that statement and you're like, okay, well, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, but I'm an energy healer. I'm a spiritual business coach. I'm a sound healer. I'm a mentor. I'm a guide. I'm a beautiful person with an amazing, hearty heart where I love to give. And I really value this journey. I really value God putting me in this leadership role to help other beautiful leaders grow, evolve, and expand. And a lot of times when you're in your sympathetic nervous system, you can't get to those moments. You can't feel that vibration. You can't celebrate your client's journey because you're already out there looking for the next client. You're already out there going, okay, call done. Now I have to post this and post this and post this, rather than going, wow, that was a really amazing session. Right? So this is why I'm making this, is because I really invite my community, if you're already nervous system regulated, then fuck it. But if you haven't approached this, then this is an invitation to start regulating your nervous system. As I will tell you, it is going to be a game changer. I went on this journey in, once again, 2023. The end of 2022 broke me. 2023 tried to break me again. But I was like, no, no. So, I started really owning my internal happiness. I really started, cultivating with everything that I could cultivate with to help me stay grounded and in a high vibrational state and in a high mentality, and constantly elevating myself. There's people like hunking. I'm like, why are you hunking? Can we not hunk right now? Can we not hunk right now? I'm doing a video. Anyways, so one, I want to say it's making peace. Whatever's happening in your life right now, excuse my language, fucking make peace with it. Because it's going to save you a lot of worrying, right? Make peace with it and then set the intention: God, this is out of my realm. Source, this is out of my realm. Angels, this is out of my realm. I fully need you to step in. I fully need your guidance. I fully need your help. Guide me, lead me, show me. I know a lot of you are constantly talking to your angels, your soul, your sovereign higher self. So you're probably already having all these action steps in place. But there might be, something going on in your life where you're like, this is jacking up my nervous system and I no longer am available for this. So start to attune to the situation. And is this something that I can fully release? Is this something that I can have someone help me with? Is this something that always call on the universe for support, always call on God, always call on source, right? But then it's also looking at the 3D aspects. Is there someone else that I can call in to help me? Is there someone else that I can call in to carry part of this, right? Even with your business, is there someone, maybe they're, oh, 6666666 angels. I'm telling you, y'all, since I've been sitting here, I've seen 777, 555, 222. What else did I see? I just feel like, and it's like multiples. Angels are coming in so freaking hot. I love it. I love my angels. We love our angels. I love my angels. um Oh, I've seen my birthday sign, 213. I've seen 619, which is literally like move your ass to San Diego, Melissa. Which I'm gonna get their universe. 444. I'm telling you, this is like an angel catwalk. They're like, I'm here with you today, right? So where I'm going with this is, see where you can put the load on some. Not, I don't know. I don't want to say that. See where you can help, where you can invite someone else to carry your load. If there's something in your business that you no longer desire to do, hire someone. There are people you can hire at all price ranges, y'all. All price ranges. So just start really taking a list of what is supporting your nervous system in your business and what is not supporting your nervous system in your business, right? If you're always fearful of, am I going to make my quota? Am I going to do this? Am I going to do this? Well, then there's something between you and money that is not co creating at the highest capacity. So take time to elevate your money story. If you are going, I don't feel like this is exactly what I'm supposed to be doing in my business, take time to figure out what your soul journey is, what your soul path, what your business wants to do. Take time to figure that out, right? If there's something in the space of like, I have no idea how to use Kajabi, go onto the YouTube. That literally, I've learned so much from YouTube. I've learned so much from YouTube. Like, it is crazy how much free resources we have. So, and once again, if you're like, I don't want to learn anything about Kajabi, Melissa, then hire someone to do your Kajabi. But there's people that can do your Kajabi at all prices. Y'all, go to Fiverr, all prices. Spread the abundance, all prices, right? Spread the abundance and really spreading yourself thin, because the more that you spread yourself thin, your nervous system is not available to handle it and it shuts down, right? AKA adrenal fatigue. Have we all been there? I know I have. Oh my God, and it was not pretty. I had no energy. It was crazy. Like, if you've ever experienced adrenal fatigue before, it is somewhere you do not want to be at all. No energy, just like all I could do is hold myself up on the couch. And that's feeling a lot, right? And being an active person, and like I like being out and about, things, it was just really strange. I'm a very motivated person and I wasn't very motivated. I'm a person that if I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. Might take me a little bit sometimes, but I'm gonna do it, right? So that is day 2. And if you would like to go deeper into your own personal journey with this, feel free to reach out to me. DM me, let me know your takeaways from this. I would absolutely love, love, love to hear. And also DM me and let me know, oh my God, Melissa, I love your nervous system regulation talk.